Alright, nigga. We are Solo Crusader Torment 6. Show off the gear. Gloves of a Khan. Strength, crit chance, crit damage, cooldown. Shoulders of a Khan. Strength, all res, life percentage, cooldown. Cinder coat, fire skill, strength. Vit. Helmet of a Khan, strength, vit, crit chance. Overwhelming desire, that's strength, crit chance, crit damage, cooldown. Rocking nemesis bracers, fire skill, strength, vit, crit chance. Got that hell skull on, strength, life percentage, crit chance, cooldown, max wrath. The royal ring of grandeur, strength, crit chance. Oh yeah, wait. Strength, crit chance, cooldown. Stone of Jordan, fire skill, strength, crit damage, cooldown. Boots of a Khan, we got strength, vit, all res, movement speed. Fucking pants of a Khan. Strength, vit, all res, armor. The motherfucking best witching hour in the world, nigga. The best. We got skills is slash with guard, you know, just for some extra toughness. Main skill, fist of heaven, heaven's tempest, that does fire. We got shield glare, you know, blind them, do 20% more damage for a few seconds. The steed, nigga. Got that law of valor with invincible, excuse me. Gives me life per hit. Got Akarat's champion with that fire starter. Motherfucking wrathful to help me stay alive. Heavenly strength, you know, that goes without saying. Finery, you know, that adds me a little bit something. Indestructible, because, yo, that's just some boss ass shit. I forgot to show you the crown jewel, the motherfucking furnace, nigga. That shit is the tits. Anyway, I'm about to go fight this old Rift boss here real quick. So let's see if I can get that in. Might be hard with one hand, but we'll do it. Oh. Nigga's health. Nigga's dropping. Nigga dropping. Nigga is dropping. And the nigga got dropped that quick.